Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Oliver, British Columbia. This small town is located in the southern part of the Okanagan Valley between Osoyoos and Penticton. It sits along the banks of the Okanagan River and is surrounded by dry hills, orchards, and vineyards. Oliver is known as the wine capital of Canada, with dozens of wineries in the area thanks to the warm, dry climate and rich soil. Oliver was named after John Oliver, who was the Premier of British Columbia in the early 1920s. He supported a major irrigation project to help turn the dry land into farmland. That project brought water from nearby rivers and made farming possible here. Today, Oliver is a quiet community with a strong focus on agriculture, especially grapes, apples, and peaches. The town also attracts visitors who come for wine tasting, hiking, and the beautiful South Okanagan scenery. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Oliver, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.